Welcome back to another episode of Garage Therapy. Today we are going to be putting on the chrome trim that goes around the front windshield. But first we got to install these clips. I don't know what they're called. I just bought them online because I need to put them on before I put the chrome trim on. The chrome, not clone, chrome. As you can see over here, I've already put a couple of them in. There's only one way. They kind of get bent and out of shape if you try to put them in the wrong way. You'll know you're putting it in wrong. Looks like the old owner had chipped something, maybe trying to do it themselves not too long ago, but I've got a handful to go in. So let's put them in with our handy dandy special tool. As you can see, this is the way they're going in. So I'll come over here to my first little pin. I'll give it a little press. It's not going to go all the way in. Now I got to give it a couple little whacks. With the little lip towards the edge of the car. I'll push them on as tight as I can get it with my hand. Sometimes if you got a lot of stupid strength, you can push them on, but usually you got to give them a couple whacks. Now this is a pain in the ass to record. I've got no way to hold my phone. But what I'm doing is, you'll see the little nipple right here. And I'm going to set it in there, push it kind of the best that I can. So you've got a nice kind of stiff and just kind of relax in there. And then I get something heavy, one of these, and whack it. But just kidding, not because you're right next to the damn windshield. I actually use this end, and I put this hand over my glass, kind of line it up. With a little bit of luck, a couple small taps under the clip, it'll just fall right in. See that one already tapped in all nice and easy. I don't know if I can, I don't really should try this with. See? This one I also just kind of tapped in there. Just tap, 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 tap with a little bit on it. They just go right in. Time to put the chrome on, which I've had sitting up here. Could probably, oh no, where are the corners at? I've got my two. Now that I've got all my clips all in, I'm going around and putting these little corners in. There's a little screw down in here. And that holds. I'm not tightening all the way down, just getting in there snug so that way I can line up the rest of it. Just lining up the clips. You can see them just under the trim. And you'll give it a whack. You'll know when it's in there. Get there. Was a little warped, but once those clips are in, it's going to take a lot of force to get them out. Let's get the other one in. All right, slid it back in. This is tightened back up. It's not perfect, but now I'm going to give it a couple solid whap with the palm. Hear that snap? Come up here. This one does not want to set in very good. Oh, there it goes. What do we got left? This one. Oh, that one's kind of hurting. All right. There we go. Oh, shit. Did that one not slide in up there? Oh, my God. The bottom, I didn't get the bottom to connect where it needs to slide in properly. You can kind of tell the top stayed where it needed to, but the bottom kicked out. So now it's sitting on top. But then trying to pull these damn clips back, this stuff back off, usually screws up the clips. I'll see what I can do. But it's a quick, easy instructional video with a screw up at the end. A little bit of time. I should have done that maybe a little slower. I can't believe I missed this. I thought I had it when I got it all lined up. All right, wasn't too bad. I did have to go back and fix it. It bugged me way too much. So went back and fixed it, pulled it off, redid everything I just showed you. So I did it twice basically on that side. Because as you pull these off, pop, the chrome comes off and then basically the clip comes out with it too. So it's held in there with a tension, it looks like, feels like, but easy enough. Big difference on the whole outlook of the car though. So I'll give it a bath and there we go. Show season's around the corner and I got to have, you know what I mean? I have to spit and polish it up a little bit, but makes a big difference. Well, thank you again for hanging out for a couple minutes. Hopefully you guys like, comment, subscribe. We'll get some more work done and everything. Still got to get back on that, even though I keep saying that.